school things from kindergarten. So I bought this at Walmart. It has Minnie Mouse on it. So first I'm going to be doing my pencil box. I have 2 packs of crayons, 2 pencils, 2 lead pencils, 3 glue sticks, 1 eraser, and now we'll get to the other side. Here is my notebook. I like the zebra little duct tape. Put my name right there. I have 2 flowers, a heart, and a puppy. And I put the duct tape around here on the back. I have tissue. So here I have is my binder. And comment, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And I hope you really like this video. And